Every story has a starting point. Ours began 100 years ago, when Edward Oscar Ericson's patent for the first rubber hand lamp was granted. Our founder brought an unmatched desire for safety and innovation to the industry. This desire has been passed down through 4 generations and has been adopted as the daily standard. In 1936, the Ericson Manufacturing Company made a nationwide splash with the patent of the dead front back-wired electrical plug, which is still required on job sites today. 1970 saw Ericsson's patent for a portable GFCI, 6 years before OSHA adopted and required the use of traditional GFCIs on all construction sites. In the early 2000s, we introduced our line of portable power products to help bring temporary power to industrial sites and applications. Our tradition of innovation continues today. From power distribution units with patented features that offer unrivaled safety and convenience, to antimicrobial cords and wiring devices that protect laboratories and food production facilities from contamination, and LED lighting solutions with exclusive designs that transform the way you'll look at string lights forever. We continue the legacy of our founder to push the boundaries of innovative design and provide industry-leading durability and cost of ownership to create better products and safer job sites. Safety is, and always has been, the #1 priority of the Ericson Manufacturing Company, and it's one that will continue to guide us into our next 100 years.